We are part of the Land Development Services located here in the Harity Building on the second floor in what is now the Customer Technical and Support Center. When a customer first makes the visit, they're first going to come to the Information Center, which is our triage area for applicants as they walk in the door. The technician then reviews the applications, reviews the plans to make sure all the minimum submission requirements are included. The customers enjoy being able to see the queuing system, see their name on the board, knowing kind of where they are in the scheme of things. They also are very positive about the fact that the technicians come out and call for them by name and escort them back to their desk. They find that very personal. This allows for a more one-on-one experience. It allows it to be a little bit more intimate and gives them their total attention to the customer. If there is a requirement for other review agencies to sign off on this permit, then basically what happens is the permit technician assesses the fee, describes what the routing procedure will be, where they need to go next, and assigns them a plan number. And then from that, they escort the applicant to the next stage of the process. Most cases, we ask them to go to the cashier next so that they can go ahead and pay at least the filing fee for their permit process. And then from there, they're routed to the numerous review agencies such as zoning, building plan review, site permits, whatever the case may be. Once those review agencies have signed the permit, then basically what happens is they come back to the information counter and they're added to what we call a log out list. This is our double check to make sure that everything was done properly and that all the fees were done accurately and that all the review agencies who needed to sign off have signed off on the application. And at that point, the technicians again come back out and escort the log out customer at that point to their desk, and then they go ahead and actually print out the permit.
Yeah, I've been coming here over 20 years, and I think the new setup is really, really good. It flows nice. The time that you have to wait to be called has been reduced dramatically. The workstations for the technicians is great for them. I think it's a really, really good job that they've done.